Hi guys, welcome back to Hanging Out with Lori. I'm Lori. If you're new here, welcome. I'm glad you're here. If you're returning, thanks for coming back. Today we are going to unbox my Allure beauty box. We didn't do it last month because I accidentally dumped my Allure and my Walmart boxes out when I was sick, and I couldn't figure out what was what because I couldn't find the Allure magazine, and that's this thing right here. And so I just decided not to film it, but we have it this month, so we're going to do it real quick. If you don't know what the Allure beauty box is, it's a $15 a month subscription box where we get deluxe size to full size items. There's usually at least one full-size item in each box. It comes with a mini magazine that tells us what each item retails for, if it is a full, if it was a full-size item or if it is a full-size item. And so I never kind of guess what the cost of the Allure beauty box is, only because if it's a deluxe size, it really doesn't equal that, right? So with that, let's just jump in. It comes in the red box with the magazine and then with this paper wrapped around it. So it comes very nice. And this month we got this Brita $30 off your next order. It looks like they call it a minimalist watch. To me, that doesn't look like a minimalist watch, but I guess my idea of a minimalist watch and their idea is two totally different things. Okay, the next item we got, it's two things, but it's a shampoo and conditioner. It's Nexus Carafix Damage Healing Conditioner and Shampoo in Protein Fusion. It's for severely damaged hair. These are them, and let's see what they the shampoo retails for $12.99 for a 13.5 ounce bottle, and the conditioner retails for $17.99 for the same size. So on the scale of higher end, but I guess I don't consider Nexus a really higher end, but I guess that's an okay price, right? Okay, this is the next one is an Ico liquid eyeliner in black, and it's actually their skinny eyeliner, and I am not going to open this up just because I have so many eyeliners going right now. And I swear we just got an Ico eyeliner from them, so maybe they think we go through them pretty quick. This retails for $22. This is a full-size item, and this is the skinny, so it makes a really fine line, and it's called Pitch. The color is called Pitch Black. Okay, the next one is this Caudalie Cream Sorbet Moisturizing Sorbet, and I swear we just got this as well. And this, of course, is a deluxe size. It retails for $39. It's Caudalie Vino Source Moisturizing Sorbet. It's a lightweight moisturizer. So I haven't used the other one I have, but that is in here, and you can get it on their website. The next thing I have is this Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask, and it obviously is or at least I hope that is a sample size. If that is a full size and it costs $20, that's crazy. But you can get it at Sephora, and this is the size. I mean, look how shallow that is, so my guess is it's a sample size. And I would really like to pick up one of these. and try them out just because I have such dry lips. But I guess I'm excited to try the sample because I can see whether it's worth the $20 splurge or not. And then the last item in the box is this Allure Cosmetics Light Stick in Halo. It looks like an illuminator. It's a highlighter. It retails for $24 and it looks to be full size. That is it right there. Oh, let me screw it down some. So that's pretty. I just always forget to use my liquid highlighters or cream highlighters, anything like that. But it's really pretty. Yeah, it's definitely a cream. I thought it looked for a second like it looked for a second like it went on like a cream and dried down to a powder, but it's definitely sticky like a cream. And you can get this Allure Light Stick at Allure.com. So those are the items in our Allure Beauty Box. Now, like I said, this retails for $15. I think we got, definitely got our money's worth on this box. This alone is $24, and the other full-size item is $22. So just these two items alone came out to what? 46. Sorry, I'm not good at math, but 46, which is triple what we paid for the box. So I think this month's Allure Beauty Box was a very good deal. I like the Allure Beauty Box, but I like samples, so I don't mind that we get samples in it. If you get the Allure Beauty Box, what was your favorite item? And if you don't, what was your favorite item that you saw today? I know we kind of ran through it kind of fast, but there wasn't anything really to do with it. So what was your favorite item? Have you tried any of these items? Do you like them, not like them? If you've tried that lip sleeping mask, tell me your thoughts. I want to know. You guys, please give this video a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're advised whenever I upload. And you all take care, and I will see you next time. Bye.